With the FIXD Mechanic Hotline, you'll have unlimited access to our mechanics.
Hey babe, is the car fixed yet?
Yep, everything looks great. Yeah, things aren't going great so far.
No worries, we'll get that resolved right away for you.
Our highly trained ASE certified mechanics are knowledgeable about any problems you have and can put them into a language you understand. Call as often as you'd like and we can help you solve a problem. Find local mechanic shops that won't take advantage of you, and we can even tell you how much a repair should actually cost.
I'm just worried about this $1,700 bill for my car.
I completely understand, Mrs. Fields, and I'm here to help. Can you tell me more about the problem?
Our mechanics have nothing to sell you, so you always have someone on your side. You just sit back and enjoy the savings. Find the FIXD Mechanic Hotline at fixedapp.com/mechanic hotline and join today. FIXD. Empower your drive.